Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over my skincare routine. I did a poll over on Instagram and this won the poll. So keep on watching if you're interested in knowing my skincare routine. Let's get to it. I first go in by removing my makeup and I'm down to my last bit of oil, and this is the Burt's Bees cleansing oil. I bought this bottle to try it out. I normally buy the Kiehl's cleansing oil and that stuff is so amazing. It is a little bit on the pricier side. That's why I kind of wanted to see if I could find a dupe. I do like this. It does do the job, but the downside of it is that I feel like it makes my eyes burn a bit. So I'm going to continue using it to finish it up, but I will be repurchasing the Kiehl's cleansing oil instead. And I'll insert a picture of the Kiehl's oil so you guys know which one that I'm talking about. I don't normally put it up over my face. I tend to just use it in my eyes because I always use waterproof mascara. So I just make sure it's like, I know it looks like I'm rubbing on my eyes, but I'm actually just kind of like massaging the oil into my eyelashes. Next, I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'll show you those in a minute. And I'm just ever so gently wiping off the oil and the product, what's left remaining from my eyes. And the makeup wipes that I really like are from the Kirkland brand. And these are the daily facial towelettes for all skin types with micellar water. I purchased these at Costco. They do carry the Neutrogena, but I feel like this is a better deal. And they actually work. They don't irritate my skin. And they work really great. Next, I'll be taking my facial cleanser. And I actually put it in this little container because I was in Chicago. And of course, you know, you can't have past 3.4 fluid ounces in your carry-on. When we went to Chicago, my sister-in-law actually took our luggage, but coming back I was in a pickle and I still had some left and I didn't want to leave the bottle there, so I rinsed out this small container that I had purchased like at Walgreens because we didn't buy conditioner. We didn't take conditioner, we bought it over there, and I put it in here. So I brought it back with me in this container. It's the daily facial cleanser from Kiehl's. I'll insert a picture somewhere around here so you know what it looks like. So now I run some warm water, not really cold but not hot. And I take some on my fingertips and then just massage it into the skin. Next, I take my Vanity Planet spin brush and it has 3 heads, but today I'll be using the one that I use daily, and which is the silicone scrub head. So I go on the faster setting and then just make sure that I go over my face. This helps really makes your skin really clean, and just making sure that you got all the dirt and grime off. Next, I rinse my face with warm water. You want to go ahead and pat your face dry. You want to make sure not to rub your face and just pat it. Next, I'll be taking the Garnier Micellar cleansing water, and this helps with just a cotton round. This helps just remove any of the makeup that might be still lingering if you forgot a few parts. Next, I'm taking my favorite toner by Kiehl's, and this is the Cucumber Herbal Alcohol-Free Toner. This is for all skin types, particularly dry to sensitive skin. I do have combo skin, but for a while there I had a really sensitive skin. I thought it was due to pregnancy, but it turns out that it was a facial cream that I was using that wasn't working out for me, and it was giving me like almost eczema around this area. I'm taking that on a cotton round and just putting this all over my face. This leaves skin soft, clean, and toned with a beautiful, elegant afterfeel. So you really want to let this toner do its job and sink into your skin. And moving on to moisturizer. Now my nightly routine varies a bit from my morning routine. For night, I use the Tiger Grass Cream by Dr. Jart. If you notice, I am down to my last bit of it. I have repurchased this and it's on its way here. Now this cream is very emollient, and like I said, for a while I was having trouble with my skin. It felt really dry, and so this gives you the moisture that you need to replenish. The moisturizer that I use for my morning routine is the Clinique Moisture Surge, and I started using this one to try it out once the other moisturizer wasn't working out for me, the one that I was telling you about, and I've been loving it. It's a really thin consistency, but it absorbs into the skin and you don't feel like you have it on after a while. And this one you do. It is very emollient, but I really like it for nighttime. Moving on to eye cream. The one that I'm currently using is the Estee Lauder Advanced Time Zone, and this is for my under eye. And I apply a bit underneath my eye. You never want to ride it up all the way to your eye because it tends to travel at night. You're moving, and so you just put it right here. Make sure you get this area right here, which is where people tend to get crow's feet. I oftentimes also use an eye mask, which is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado, and I put a bit of this. It's very thick, and let me show you the consistency. It's very thick and also very emollient. I put this before going to bed a few times a week, and that just really helps rehydrate my under eye. As far as masks, the mask that I'm currently loving is the Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser. I know it's a cleanser, but I use this as a mask instead, and I leave it on for about 10 minutes, and this helps really clean out your pores. If you have sensitive skin or very dry skin, this would probably not work for you, because I feel like this is for normal to combo skin. It does have little beads in it to help exfoliate as well, so that's really good. In the morning, I also use the vitamin C serum that I picked up on Amazon, and I just bought this one on Amazon. I can link it down below if you guys want to purchase it. I've really loved it. I've been using this since I was pregnant. And some of my favorite facial masks that I go in with a few times a week are the My Skinlicious Secret Pantry masks, and they're by Too Cool for School. 4 of them have egg cream mask, and one is a coconut cream mask. So I really like this brand, and I feel like it works for my sensitive skin. So guys, that concludes my skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload videos. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.